Now, coming to the operators in JavaScript. So far, you might have been familiar with so many operators like arithmetic operators, logical, Boolean operators, and bitwise assignment operators. Likewise, we do have operators in your JavaScript too. So let us see few of them. The assignment operators, basically we use here the equal to sign for assigning, okay? And for addition, we use the plus symbol. For multiplication, we use the asterisk symbol. For comparison, we use greater than, less than, equals to symbol, and so on. So let us list out all the operators now. Now, moving on, the first one with the assignment operator, you should remember that equal to sign will assign a value to the variable. If you see here an example, x is assigned to a value, 10 is assigned as a value to the variable x, okay. Likewise, we have set of examples here, x is assigned 5, y is assigned 2, and when I compute them, you will be assigning a new value to this z variable. This is the simple assignment operator equal to, where we are assigning the value to it. Sometimes we are assigning the formula with respect to the execution, the computation, the value is outputted. Now, performing the addition, okay. If you see, we are performing the addition of two variables here, x and y, and the storage, the value will be stored into the z variable. So this is the addition, arithmetic plus operator, we can say. Multiplication, again, what we can say here is, we are multiplying the value with respect to two variables x and y by using an asterisk symbol into it. In between operands, we are having an operator that is performing the calculation. Likewise, we are having certain operators here if we list out. So these are the different operators that we have: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, string operators, logical, bitwise, ternary, and type operators. Arithmetic operators are your plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, okay. Exponential is also given here in your JavaScript. Now coming to the assignment, plus, equal to, minus, equal to, and so on. Comparison, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, those are your comparison. String operators, logical, bitwise, and all, we will see one after the other. Now, first is, what is your arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operations, here we are performing. You see here, variable a is assigned to 3, and we are performing certain calculations. We are giving the values and as well as computing it with variable a. So what it will perform with respect to the precedence of the operators here, since brackets are there, so brackets will play a major role. It has the highest priority to, so first 100 is added to 50, so 150 into a is holding the value as 3, 150 into 3 is 15 threes are, whatever the outcome is there, it will be stored into the variable as x. So these are the operators that we have in your arithmetic operators. Just have a look of it. So what all do we have? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation, division is there, modulus. Here we consider the remainder as our answer, increment and decrement. So these are your arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Now coming to the assignment operator, as I told you that equal to sign is used for assigning. Similarly, I can make use of plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and so on. That means that x plus equal to 5, initial value of x is 10. X plus equal to 5 is what? We are assigning 10. Along with that, we are adding 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So that's how, rather than writing 10 plus 5, we can write it in another way by using the assignment operator plus equal to. So here is a list of it, how we can assign the variables and the values to it. Just have a look upon it. Rather than writing directly like this, you can elaborate it in this way. Both of them are same. Okay. So these are the list of assignment operators: plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to, and exponentiation equal to, right? So you can directly write as x plus equal to y, or you can also write as x is equal to x plus y, and so on. Now coming to the comparison operators, so you see, equal to, equal value, and equal type, we are using here triple equal to's, not equal to value, or not equal to type. Type also we are checking similarly. So that's how we are going to check it. greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and this is a ternary operator where logical conditioning will be there with respect to the true and the false case. So we will be using the question mark as your ternary operator there. Now moving on to the string operator. So here all the comparison operators above can also be used as strings. For example, here I'm using the variable as text1, storing the value as a with this double quotes. So whenever you see this double quotes that identify, that make you, that will identify that it is a string, and there is another variable we are using text2 and it is holding the value as b. Now we are comparing, okay, result is text1 less than text2. So with respect to the ASCII values, it will be generating the output to you by comparing the values of it. If it is true, it will return true. If not, it will return false. Now, if you see here, by using the concatenation symbol, we are joining both the strings. So John Dio. If I want to combine more than one string together, I will be using an operator called as string addition, that is also being denoted as concatenation operator by using plus symbol there. Okay. So you see here John plus a space will be given to it. Then after that we are adding the second string to it, that is Dio. So the outcome will be John Dio. Again, plus equal to assignment operator is given here. With respect to strings we are doing, okay, concatenation we are applying now. What a very nice day. So in the text one, first we are storing the string as what a very. Again we are adding to it nice day. Okay. So when I combine both of them together, the result would be what a very nice day. So that would be the complete string. Logical operators, logical and, logical or, logical not. So these are similar to your other programming languages that we have seen in your C and C++, similar to that. Logical and will be working only when both the given inputs are true, then only it will be executing, or output will be giving as true. If not, it will be failing to execute. In the OR case, if any one of them is true, then the result would be true. If not, the result would be false. And not is the reverse of the given input. If the input is true, the output will be false. If the input is false, the output would be true. Now coming to the type operators, okay, it's going to return the type of the variable, type of, like we have size of in other language. So here we are having type of, instance of. It's going to return true if an object of an instance is given to it. Okay, if that is the type of the object that we are referring to, then it will give us true. If not, it will return as false. Yeah, now coming to the bitwise operators. What is a bitwise AND? It will be working similar to your logical AND, but the representation of it with a single ampersand, single pipeline, not symbol, XOR, left shift and right shift. Unsigned right shift is also available. So now let us see a simple example of bitwise AND. The given variables are 5 and 1. The binary representation of 5 is 0101, and the one decimal value and the binary representation of 1 is 0001. Now we are performing here bitwise AND. What is the AND operation? It will be working when both the given inputs are true, then only it will be true. If any one of them is also true, it will be false. So this is how the result of bitwise AND is. Now coming to applying the bitwise OR. Again apply the OR operation onto it. Pipe symbol, okay. So any one of them is true, the result would be true. So in this case, it is now the answer is 5, whatever you have seen, right? So this is the bitwise AND and OR. Now bitwise NOT, reverse of it. Wherever there is 1, it will be replacing it with 0, and wherever there is 0, it will be replacing by 1. And that's how the reverse of negation of 5 is 10. Now XOR operator. XOR is, let me explain XOR here. Again 0101. We are applying XOR upon 0001. How XOR will be working? If both of them are similar, then the outcome would be 0. If both of them are similar, the outcome will be 0. If both of them are opposite to each other, then only the output would be true. If not, it is false. So this is the result of your XOR, that is 4 value. Okay. Now left shift. Left shift means we are going to shift the bits towards left hand side. Let me show this 5 left shift to 1. Okay, given variable is 5 0 1 0 1. Apply the left shift 1. So if I left shift the bits, so I will be shifting this bit by 1. So the outcome would be 1 0 1 0. That is 10. Yes. So you see here, when I moved this bit towards my left hand side, this bit has been gone and an empty space will be available at the right end. So we will be filling it by 0 and the outcome of that becomes 10. Similarly, right shift towards the right hand side, we will be moving the bit. So if you see here, this bit will be moved away, right? And it will be filled by 0 at this place. So it will be 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 0 is 2. Now unsigned right shift. Unsigned right shift is again similar to your right shift only, but 2 bits will be moving at a time. So in that case, again it is 2. Okay. So these are the bitwise operators.